the municipality would have embarked on a robust drainage program whereby our main intent is to reclaim the drainage structure and to alleviate the flooding situation within this town of New Amsterdam, in particularly central New Amsterdam, the commercial hub. Now, being on the ground with those workers would have caused me to be very disappointed with persons who usually litter wherever they go within this town of New Amsterdam. Cleaning that drain, you will be amazed to see what came out. Heavy built-up of silt, plastic bottles, plastic bags, old fans, you name it, it was right there within the drainage network.